Welcome to Friday Flowers. Today we're going to do a flower called Stamen. So I'm going to make a little frame. And the first thing that I'm going to do is make an orb. And then we're going to make 5, you can do more than 5, but we're going to make 5 sets of parallel lines coming off of this orb. Okay, and then on top of each set of parallel line, we're going to put part of an orb. So like that. So once we have that, then we're going to connect these we're going to try to make a triangle, but it's not going to be a sharp triangle and it's not going to be very high. So kind of going like this, connecting from there to there. Okay. And then the next step that we're going to do is we're going to aura these like so. And that's really the basic for stamen. Okay, so a couple of options. If you want to keep it a little simple, then we could just do some flicks. So this is one of those where it's really fun to draw. It's really pretty easy, and really it's where the shading comes in that makes it look really cool. So I am going to put some graphite here and do the same in all these orbs there. And I'm going to put a little bit here. I'm going to smooth that out. And so that's really it. It's very quick and very cute flower. So that is Stamen.